Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to turn on marketing email on Webtoon. Now let us begin. Denote that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to turn on marketing emails. At the bottom right next to my, you can see a button like this called as More. Click on it, and guys, this is it. From here, all you guys need to do is focus on going to settings. It's right next to search. Click on it, and that is it, guys. From here, simply scroll down till you see the notification settings. This right here is notification. I'm simply gonna scroll down till I see something called as marketing email. Well, right here, as you guys can see, I have already enabled notifications for marketing. In case you have not, simply toggle on these buttons. Well, denote that you can also toggle on for all of these. And guys, that is it. That's how you turn on marketing email on Webtoon. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.